Today's recipe is Expresso Bbq Sauce. Welcome to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Cook the garlic for a couple minutes until it's lightly brown. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of balsamic glaze, 1 cup of soy sauce, and a shot of espresso. We're gonna simmer for 10 minutes in low heat. Our barbecue sauce is ready.